Hey everybody, it's Steph, and today I have an Erin Condren unboxing. This is their summer surprise box, and I was hoping that I could do this and then have a link to buy the box in the description box down below, but they are sold out. So apparently it's a really good box. So we're gonna see what is in here. I also really wanna thank you guys for using my affiliate link that gets you $10 off your first purchase, because I also get $10 of store credit every time you guys use that. And I used that store credit to buy this so I could experience it and show you guys what is in here. So I just wanna thank you. You like literally made this video possible. This is the little card that came in it, and it has a little list of what's in there, but I don't really want to see that. I took a peek earlier, but I didn't see the bulk of it. So we're gonna start what's in here because I can kind of see it already, and it looks like it is a tumbler cup. I actually need a new tumbler cup. I have a Gen Beauty one at work that I keep my water in, and it's getting kind of grody. So it's nice that I have a brand new tumbler cup. These are great for things like work, or if you have cats like I do, and you need to make sure that they can't knock over your water, because cats will like literally look at you, look at the item, and then knock it over. It's really annoying. And then let's go into this, which is kind of the bulk of it. And now that you just have to see that, it looks a lot better. So we have the kind of signature, I guess, paper here. I always try to not rip it, but I don't know why, because I always just end up throwing it away. And we have some goodies in here. They are all wrapped up. So let's just go ahead and do this first, because this looks really exciting. This looks like it's a sunglasses case. It says Hello Sunshine, and it's in like this Tiffany blue. And it has a little mid-century circles microfiber cloth in there, which is really adorable. Next, we have some highlighter. Oh, colorful dual tip markers. I'm sorry. I assumed they were highlighters because they were neon. So let's go ahead and just kind of test it on the card. Why not? So that's the, I think that's the thick side. Maybe it's the fine side. I don't know. Yeah, that was the thick side. And there's the fine side. And the fine is really fine. That's really cool. Let's see how it looks over. Oh, sorry, that was out of frame. And it looks like they're not ideal for highlighting because it isn't like the thick, squarish tip that you would use for a highlighter, but in a pinch, you could use them as a highlighter. Going down, we have some elastic hair ties. I absolutely love the glittery one, and I never end up wearing the hair ties with the little charms on them. I just can't get them to look good. Maybe it's because I'm almost 30. I really love these elastic hair ties because they don't grip as small and as much as your normal typical hair ties do, because my hair creases super easily. So basically, once I put it up in a ponytail, I have to keep it up in a ponytail until I wash it. And if you wash your hair like every day or every other day, that might not be a big deal, but I try to wash my hair once or twice a week. It's better for your hair, it's less expensive product-wise, and that's the way I like to do it, and I'm lazy. We do have some stickers here. These are some really cute kind of summery stickers. I wonder if this is just 2 sheets that are back to back, or if there's more in here. By the way, the stuff in this box, I forgot to mention it earlier, is supposed to be either just for the box or new things in the store. So I don't really know what's what off the top of my head. I will link everything that I can find in the erincondren.com store in the bottom bar down below. So it is just 2 sheets. They were just back to back. So we have some of these cute ones, and we have these more like, I guess, functional planner stickers, and they do have a holographic foil on them. Can you see that? Christine from Simply Illogical would be proud. We have this cute little pineapple notepad. Oh my god, the back. Oh, that's adorable. Okay. So, oh, and it comes down from the top. Okay. So, pineapple notepad, very cute for the summer. I don't personally tend to use these like cute notepads very often, but I might bring this to work and put it on my desk because I think it would really brighten the place up. I think this is the last thing, so I'll get the box out of the way. So this is Jot Your Thought, includes 80 line pages, so it's a little notebook. So again, we have the pineapple theme, and then we have the gold foil on there. Pineapples on the back, and then this is a sewn binding, and all the pages just have the little Erin Condren logo in the upper corner. Front page does have a little place where you can say who it is, but there are no other beginning pages and no ending pages. So just a simple, little, adorable notebook. And I will put this in my stash of notebooks because I absolutely love notebooks. So that is the Erin Condren Summer Surprise Box, or whatever the hell it's called. Do let me know what you thought about this box in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you thought, and if you've gotten the Erin Condren seasonal surprise boxes before, what you thought of them. Are they worth it? Are they not worth it? Again, this is my first one, so I do not have anything to compare it to. Please remember to like or dislike this video, letting me know what you thought about it, and subscribe for more Erin Condren and Flanner videos. See you babes next time. Bye. Woo!